Finding creative solutions that use technology to better your business.
Technology should be your greatest asset. It should assist your employees, it should increase your productivity, it should make your business very efficient. When a stranger walks into your office, they shouldn't see outdated technology. They should see brand new systems. They should see systems that are working with your employees to make sure that your clients are receiving the best care and the best service they can get.
At Boot Networks, we're passionate about technology, and we're always looking at the newest and best ways to better serve you.
We want small businesses to know that just because they don't have an IT department doesn't mean that their technology should be a hindrance. Our passion allows them to have their technology working at the most optimal efficiency. Our services range from fixing a computer to building custom computers from the ground up. We also handle all your network needs. And if you have an outdated website, we also update websites. We update it with a brand new, modern, fresh look, and we ensure that it's driving traffic towards your business.
We provide immediate technical support a lot faster than any of our competitors.
All of our clients, for the most part, know us on a first-name basis. They know us as if we were one of their employees, like a family member, and take care of their problems on a personal level. When we want them to understand their technology the way that we understand their technology, we want to bridge that gap and be their partner.
We're constantly day-to-day, thinking about our clients and better ways to improve their services.
We like to see ourselves not necessarily just as a company that you hire, but as a long-term partner that helps you grow as a small business.
This is more than just a job, it's a passion. It's something we all care about and we all enjoy doing. It's not just another paycheck.
We not only want to be your technicians, but we also just want to be your mentors and teachers so that you better understand your technology. We'll sit down with you and explain it to you and make sure that you understand what we're doing before we move forward. The people that I get to know on a daily basis, just happy, just generally able to do their job better because we did our job well. You can sleep easy at night knowing that your technology is in our hands.
Technology should be something that helps your business, not something you should need to worry about.
It's nice to know that you have somebody that has your back, that has all your technology secure, that has all your technology taken care of.